How to place an order on Shein app. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can basically place an order on the Shein app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to place an order on the Shein app, all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and launch the Shein app like this. Now basically just browse for the products that you want to add, and then let's say I like this product, I'll just add them to my bag here, and then I'll tap the add to my bag button after I select a specific color. Once I've added to my bag over here like this, I'll just tap on add to bag. What I will do is you'll find the bag icon from the top right, tap the bag icon from the top right. Now just select and confirm all the products once and for all, then just tap the checkout button from the bottom. If you've not already entered your shipping method addresses, you can simply enter your addresses and your phone number. You can choose standard shipping or express shipping. Standard shipping is basically free, but express shipping will require you a certain amount of dollars if it's really urgent for you. And you can see on time delivery guaranteed. You can just pay for that, and you can pay with your PayPal, Venmo, or whatever else you actually prefer in this case. Once you've done that, what you need to do is make sure to simply enter a payment method here. Make sure to enter credit or PayPal, Venmo, or whatever else. Once you've done that, all you need to do is just tap the place order from the bottom of the screen, and your order will be successfully placed. And that's it on how you can place an order on the Shein app. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.